Hi, I'm Tim, the Cheap 3D Printer. And today on the Cheap 3D Printer, we're going to talk about Star Wars. Why not? A poster on Reddit apparently broke the news or started a rumor. I'm not really sure how this is going to play out, but the rumor is that a trailer teaser is going to be released sometime between now and the Super Bowl. So today is Tuesday, January 22nd, and sometime between now and February 3rd, we're going to get this trailer teaser for Episode 9. And then we'll find out the name of Episode 9 in that. I think the name's going to be something like The Last Jedi, the Final Jedi. I don't know. Maybe The Jedi Strikes Back, or I don't even know. But it's going to be something. And so hopefully it's really cool. Hopefully we get a good end to the Skywalker saga, and that we have a good final movie. So that's something that I'm looking forward to. It's something that I'm sure you're looking forward to. And so I thought, hey, let's present something that is Star Wars related. So for quite some time, I've been looking for a Death Star model. There's some paid ones out there. I don't really like to pay for models if I don't have to. I don't want to take somebody's paid work and steal it. That's not what I like to do. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to steal somebody's work from them. But if they're offering it up for free, definitely that's what I'm looking for. So I've been looking for a free model of the Death Star for a long time, and I finally came across one from, I think it's like Kijai Designs or something like that. I'll leave credit to it. I'll put it here on right about here. We'll say what the name is there, and I'll link to it in the description below. So I found this on My Mini Factory the other day. I was just perusing some designs on there and came across this design. It's actually relatively new, and so I wanted to show it to you. The design that I printed, I wanted a big one. I wanted one that on my desk is going to be like, whoa, what is that? And so I printed this model at 175%. That's as big as what my AlphaWise U10 will handle. It probably could have done 180% or somewhere around there, but I did 175%. And I got to show you this model. It is massive. Let's get the satellite up here so you can see it. And so the way this prints, he actually has a single piece print. You can print this all as one piece, but you may end up with issues in the top, printing the top. And so it comes as separate pieces. It prints like this on the build plate. And then this one has a nice lip to it that you can see right here. And that lip just slides into the bottom. And then you have a lid. It goes onto the top like this. And if you so choose, you can print another lid and put it on the bottom. If you do so, you need to find some other way to make it stand up. Or if you're going to hang it or something else, you can do that also. But this is an awesome, awesome Death Star. It is approximately 13.5 inches wide, diameter. And this is going to go on my desk, and people are going to be like, whoa, Death Star. So yeah, this is a stinking cool model. And the designer of this, I think it even said that he was looking for a Death Star model and couldn't find one that he liked. And so he designed one himself. And that is the Death Star. That's all I really got for you today. Hope you're looking forward to Star Wars Episode 9 coming out in December of this year. I know I am. This isn't an advertisement for it. It's just something that I look forward to. New Star Wars movies when they come out. I may be one of the few that actually liked the Han Solo movie. And I've actually liked pretty much all of them. Of course, Episode 1. Everyone doesn't really like Episode 1, but the rest of them have been pretty good. So anyway, that's all I got for you. If you like what I'm doing, click subscribe below. Maybe give me a thumbs up. And maybe click on some of these other videos that are popping up here on the side. Other than that, keep printing and keep printing cheap.